somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it.
We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we?
Toasting to finding the home that is perfect for us.
Yes.
Baby, I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough.
I get on their ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-Pad. Yeah, watch a nigga do it.
We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get involved. Hey, what? How many shit I seen? Send them all. Take a risk or take a trip. You know I'm tripping for my dog. Who you with?
So today is moving day, y'all. It is December 1st, and we will be moving out of our Airbnb into our actual rental property, and we're excited. We're freaking excited. We're excited to get settled in. We're excited to do whatever we're gonna do with all these bags. Spoil boy, we got a lot of bags. We did get a couple of just, I'm gonna say like essentials. Got these 2 bags, ordered some food, baby's purse, so we're ready, all right, we're ready. And it's been a long time coming, y'all. It's been a long time coming. And as I say in every video, extremely blessed, extremely blessed. This was a good starter, okay? Let me close this. This was a good starter, I'm gonna say home, to kind of get us situated on wherever it is that we was gonna be and wherever it is that we was gonna go. I feel like it's very important that if you are traveling and moving to another country, that you actually take the time to do some research and just get a feel for your area. Like, we've been in this Airbnb since the 25th, and today's the 1st, so roughly 6 days, 5-6 days. And we was able to maneuver around this area as well as the area that we're moving to. So it was very much so night and day, so to speak, because where we are currently at, this Airbnb is kind of in the country, like more of where, I don't know, not too touristy. Like, there are tourists in this area because they have a lot of resorts. As a matter of fact, we actually are right next door to a resort, but you see more locals than anything, than like foreigners. So it's a little bit of the country, right? Which is cool, right? We walked around for a little bit, got a feel for it, but the area that we're moving to is where a lot of foreigners are, tourists. You got the mall over there. There's a lot more options for food, because we've been using Grab. Like, it just makes no sense for us to go grocery shopping when we are not settled quite yet. I gotta check on Apollo, y'all, because that man be up to no good. Oh, okay. Like, he really be up to no good. There he is. But anywho, so it just makes no sense to go grocery shopping in this Airbnb because we're not quite stable yet. So now that we're about to move into the actual home that we're going to be staying in till, like, I guess November of next year, we're going to go grocery shopping. And is that a ride? No, that's not a ride. But we're going to go grocery shopping and get the dog some beds, because these floors is hard as I don't know what. Like, these floors is hard. And while these floors are hard, they're very convenient when it's time to clean. And let me show y'all how I've been cleaning these floors. Me and wifey have been sweeping this up. It's super cool, and it's very much so traditionary. I don't know if that's a word. Tradition to use this type of broom, which, as I stated, is convenient because, as y'all know, I have a husky and his hair just flies everywhere. But this broom actually traps the hair and you can just sweep it right on out. Like, what? I would have never thunk it, but super cool, super cool. But back to what I was saying, so we'll be able to get just a little bit more comfortable and just move in and just settle into our space, all right? So I'm not going to show y'all the spot yet, but just know it's one of the spots that I did show y'all in my previous video. Because by the time y'all see this, you would have already seen the video of us going house shopping, so to speak, and just looking at different properties. So y'all just get ready, man. Just get ready. It's nice. I'm going to tell you that. It's nice. But I don't know. It's mind blowing. But baby, what you think?
I feel like my mind is blown. I feel like I've been trying to take it all in because for so long, even after we got here, it felt surreal. Like, it's like I'm staying. But I think once we have got out and explored, like baby said, done some home shopping. Home shopping was what really made it sink in that we were looking for a place, because I could actually look around and visualize myself, see if I could see myself in a space living day to day.
Hold on, baby. The realtor is calling. Hold that thought. Oof. Yeah, so our ride is about here, y'all. Yep. That's our realtor in the first car, and then that truck behind is going to be the truck that is going to pick up all of these bags. All right, so we gotta go. We got work to do. But I'm gonna pop in with y'all when we get situated to reveal to y'all which home we pick. All right. They're very tired.
I'm so excited.
This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath house. It does come with a pool. It does come with some people who take care of the grass as well as keep up with the maintenance on the pool. Got some stone stairs here. And it is gated, which we're waiting for them to fix that as well as install some CCTV. It is right outside of another neighborhood, which you do have to come in through this entrance right here, which is somewhat kind of gated. Somewhat kind of gated. I don't know what they got going on, but anywho. So back to this. I do have a patio set here. These 2 beach chairs with a umbrella. Pool is nice. Yeah, and I think it goes down like that. So it may be 5 feet, no, maybe 6 feet deep, maybe. And into the house, y'all. Should cut some lights on in here so y'all can really see what's going on. Let's see, which one is the lights? I think that's a light. So this is the living room. Wifey over here editing. We have the dining room table. We have the kitchen on, all right? Doggy bowls. Don't mind this refrigerator because this is not our refrigerator. We have a whole situation with this. They're fixing the one that is actually ours. So yeah, microwave, portable oven, stove. Yeah, and then some trash. This is a bathroom, all right? It does come with shower, all right? We have a hot water heater here, which will get the water warm, which works really good, by the way. But yeah, this toilet, nice mirror, sink. Let me show y'all where the laundry room is. You know what? I think it's locked. Where's my keys? We'll come back to that. All right. just love these windows. So this is guest room number 1. Y'all giving a tour too? This is guest room number 1. Vanity, closet area. We do have a bathroom. Little Jack and Jill going on. We got 2 showers. One for the inside, one for the outside. You can look at the stars or you can look at the sun. And this is what we got going on here. Toilet, mirror. This is the other bedroom. All right, bedroom number 2. Bottom bed, nice little seating area. Storage area for your clothes, vanity area. And let's go on to our room. Got this nice little hallway. You can see the views outside. And then you enter into our bedroom. And this is vanity area. All right. Same concept, right? Sink, toilet, shower, right? Which we have one too, but ours is a lot bigger. All right, have a wider, well not wider, but we just have a longer space. See the views of the sun or the moon. But yeah, so that's the outside shower. Gotta lock this up. I think I did that right. Yep, all right. So that's our bathroom. And, dang, I turned the lights off. This is our bedroom. I am not too crazy about this color. I'm not too crazy about this comforter. I'm not too crazy about all this paint, but that's besides the point. The bed is comfortable. Got the dog some beds. The couch is dope. And let me show y'all this view. So yeah, this is the main bedroom. So you have access to the pool, the patio. You just have access to go outside. I'm not gonna open this, but you have access to go outside or come in from this area right here, as well as the main area that we originally came in at over there. And this is my driveway for when I get a little motorbike or a car or what have you. But let me find these keys so I can show, oh, there they go. Don't worry about them pads. Don't you dare worry about them pads. All right. Let me close that on up. Don't want no peeping Toms. We're gonna cut these lights off, cause you know, we ain't gonna run up no light bill. I'm just showing y'all what it looked like, but we gotta cut all these lights off. Ain't that right? That what I say? Yeah. Did I lock that back? I think so. Whew, I'm getting lost in here. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what the laundry room looks like. And by the way, all of this is windows. I just love the windows. It's so grand. I'm gonna show y'all this little laundry room. So in Thailand, it's not very often that you will see a dryer. It's just not something that's common. It's not something you'll see, but you will see a lot of washing machines that come with, some of them come with, they're in spaces where you can just hang up your clothes as like maybe racks or clothesline. I know back when I was a child, a young lad, all right, my mom used to hang up our clothes on the clothing line, and that's how the clothes would dry. And not even in the purpose of like, because we didn't have a dryer. Maybe we didn't have a dryer, but I think it was more so because it was just hot as heck in Georgia. And to be cutting on a dryer and that back in that time, who told you to come outside? It was just too hot. But needless to say, here we are in the laundry room. If you know me, this was a robe that baby got me for my birthday maybe 2 years ago, and I love it so much. This is the washing machine. This is the Thai washing pada, washing detergent, and it works good. This is a brand new washing machine, and this thing is nice. So like I was telling y'all, we don't have a dryer. Most people don't have one. So that's why we have a rack. Honestly, I feel like it's a lot more efficient. Your clothes smell a lot more fresh when you let it air dry. So I'm very much so accustomed to that whole aspect. Let's lock this back up. Can't tell me I know how to work keys, because I don't. All right. This space right here leads right to the Fronte Yard A. All right. Son, come on. Apollo, come. Come here. Come. Come, come, come. Get on. Come on. Come here. This man. Come here, Apollo. Come here, Apollo. Get your behind here. Hey. But yeah, y'all, this is the house. This is what we went with. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I just cannot believe we have it. It's mind-blowing. I cannot. Words, I don't have any words. I don't have any words. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't have any words. I'm sure you can tell I don't have any words. I can't get any words out. Just extremely thankful, extremely blessed. If only y'all knew the trials and tribulations me and Kiana went through, you would be like, y'all deserve it. Like, y'all really deserve that. But I just wanted to let y'all know where we at. But yeah, y'all, I love y'all.
It was all a dream, just a new girl on the scene. Got your face on